Tunatan Swanin, O little town of Bethlehem, di ka han sala ila. Oh, little town of Bethlehem, how still we see thee lie above thy deep and dreamless lip. The silent stars go by, yet in the dark street shine the everlasting light. The hopes and fears of all the years are met in thee tonight. For Christ is born of Mary and gathered all above. While mortals sleeps, the angels give their words of wandering love.